Hello everyone! Are you wondering what main character energy means? Let's explore. Main character energy describes a mindset where someone acts as if they are the protagonist of their own story, often with confidence, charisma, and a sense of importance. This term reflects the idea of viewing oneself as the central figure in life, where everything revolves around their experiences, feelings, and actions. People with main character energy might approach life with a bold attitude, embracing opportunities, taking risks, and making decisions that reflect their belief in their own significance. It's a concept that has gained traction on social media, where individuals share moments that make them feel like the main character in a movie or book. Main character energy is about embracing one's individuality and living life with a sense of purpose and excitement, as if every day is part of a grand narrative. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.